With special session over, we begin to look at the future of what firearm legislation could look like from Democrats, Republicans, and the governor himself. State Capitol reporter Chris O'Brien and photojournalist Don Downs caught up with the governor to get his thoughts on the future.
If you believe polls from both sides of the aisle, it reveals the desire for more gun reform in Tennessee.
I think we just got to listen to Tennesseans at all levels. I mean, that's part of what we have to do going forward is what do the people of this state believe is most important.
But that has yet to happen. Support for gun reform even includes a poll the Tennessee Firearms Association's advertised, showing a majority of Tennesseans want a red flag law. And the TFA is arguably the most influential gun rights lobbying group in the state outside of the NRA.
Take a look at the Vanderbilt poll. I mean, I think that was very reflective. 82% of Tennesseans support strengthening background checks, and we have a lot of work to do on that issue.
Republicans have promised no gun restrictions will get through, as the legislature is currently constructed. Instead, you might actually see fewer limitations, as a concept to allow anyone with an enhanced carry permit to bring a handgun to schools will return after it failed in special session.
Those kind of individuals can add a level of security that we don't have right now. And even if you have an SRO or a private security officer, for example, it's just that much more enhanced.
No one single political party has a monopoly on good ideas, but unfortunately this GOP supermajority seems to have a monopoly on bad ideas. That idea of putting more firearms in our public schools is simply a bad idea.
Immediately following special session, Lee said he felt it was a success, despite the Senate and House waging a Cold War and very little legislation actually passing. I asked him if he still felt that way after some reflection time.
Anytime that we elevate a conversation around public safety, our state's better off.
We are still a pretty long way away from regular session, where we could see some of these ideas get more discussion and get fleshed out. Generally starts in January.